Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply vitamin E on hair. First, understand its benefits for scalp and strand health. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can significantly improve your hair's condition. It helps to deeply moisturize your scalp, combating dryness and flakiness, which are common issues. By protecting your hair follicles from environmental stressors, it creates a healthier environment for growth. This can lead to stronger, more vibrant hair over time. Now, let's get into the application process. To start, puncture 1 or 2 vitamin E capsules and mix the oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil. This dilution is important for even distribution and absorption. Gently massage this mixture into your scalp for about 5 minutes using circular motions with your fingertips. This stimulates blood flow. Then, apply any remaining oil to the mid-lengths and ends of your hair to nourish the entire strand. For best results, leave the vitamin E oil treatment on your hair for at least 30 minutes. If your hair is particularly dry or damaged, consider leaving it on overnight for a more intensive deep conditioning treatment. Always wash your hair thoroughly afterward with a mild shampoo to ensure all oil residue is removed, preventing any greasiness. Before your first full application, it's wise to perform a small patch test on your skin to rule out any allergic reactions. Regarding frequency, applying vitamin E oil to your hair 1 to 2 times per week is generally recommended for optimal benefits. Consistency is truly key here. Regular application will help you see noticeable improvements in your hair's texture, strength, and overall health over time. Be patient and make it a part of your routine. And speaking of keeping things healthy, check the description below for a link to these amazing leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.